Oh, here's Grom Soccer right here. Dude, you're losing a shin today. I'm breaking more than just ribs. All right, welcome to Grom, well, motorcycle. We're gonna call it Grom Soccer. How many we got? We got 1, 2, stretch Grom. You're gonna do it, right? Yeah, he's gonna do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 3 on 3.
Why don't you come out and try moving it around a little bit and bear in mind.
Let's go, man. We've done this before. Get it, Lewis! Get it, Lewis!
Contact.
Oh,
You know,
come on.
Be careful.
Nick, come on, Mom. Say be careful. Oh, yeah, yeah. Bitch, bitch. Damn, this thing kicks. You're gonna knock someone's head off. Are you serious? All right, Grom Soccer, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Motorcycle Soccer. So this is MotoBall Steve. I think he's done this professionally. And we're the Grom squad. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just hit this fucking guy. All right, let's do a Grom only game.
What's that?
Can we do like 1 3-on-3 Grom game?
Let's do a 3-on-3 Gram game. Gram game. These 3 and those 3?
Yep.
Yep, I'll take the ball to the center.
All right, practice is over. We're gonna do 3-on-3. Me, Aaron, and Lewis. Versus these 3. Lewis! Hey, hold on. Lewis!
Yeah.
Hold on, let's do it. Let's do like a proper one where we like throw it and shit. Hey, what are you doing? We're gonna do a kickoff.
Let's do a kickoff. Okay, you guys won the coin toss.
Ah, perfect.
Okay.
You got scared. 1-0. Are they gonna put someone in the goal? What happened?
You can take a run at it.
Are we doing a free kick?
You get a free kick.
Oh. Okay, free kick. Oh, he's the goalie. Oh, yeah.
You can't. Even on your free kick, you can't.
I know, I realized that after. That was not right. I may have went a little too hard on that one. Good to Steve intimidates me. I was trying to juke him, but then I got hung up. Hey, don't do what I did. Is there offsides? We gotta go back to the half? Go get it, Lewis. Oh, you're halfway in the mud. Don't go over there. If you would have chased the ball, you would have been done.
What a save!
He's scared now. That's hard with a goalie. Just kill switch himself. Come on, Aaron! Ah! Grom Soccer, ladies and gents. Make sure you subscribe. There's a fence there, Aaron. What is that? Oh. This looks like a ball to the head. Oh, good block, Lewis! Oh, shit. Remember your brakes. Yes! Ah! No! No, let's don't kick it right towards them. Get out of here! Scooter Steve is just having the time of his life blocking all our balls. Oh, no goalie. Now we got a young kid. Even better. Yours? Yes! Yes! Puts us on the board! Oh, sorry. Right to him, Aaron. Lewis, where's your pass game? Nothing here. We're on the same team. Yeah. I think we should do it with no goalies. No goalies, right? Yeah. Or one motorcycle goalie. Yeah. Lewis! Aaron, behind you! Hit Aaron! Turn your music off! That's right. Focus. Go there. Let's set this up. Oh, Lewis! That would have been dirty! What the hell is it? I say we just check the goalie. He'll freaking humble up real quick. Let's just run right into him.
Yeah, that was a good first half.
Can we do no goalies?
Well, you know, these goals are smaller than usual.
What about a motorcycle where you have to go back and forth?
Well,
for the goalie.
We're trying to adhere to the FIM European rules that the rest of the world that actually plays this professionally uses.
Oh, we don't need that. We did this in a parking lot once with just a dodgeball.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, but it was full contact. So this is a professional league?
Not yet. Europe and Russia, Ukraine, they all have professional teams. They play national tournaments. And I saw some videos a couple of years ago, and I always wanted to try it, and I couldn't find anybody in the U.S. that was even playing it, so I started MotoBall USA, and we had a first tournament in Colorado. We had 2 tournaments last year with just pretty much Colorado dirt track riders that, you know, decided that looked like fun.
So you normally have a goalie that's just standing there?
Yeah.
Oh, and you can get it in?
Yeah, and we have full-size soccer.
But you have like people that know how to pass and all that?
Yeah, well, no, we're not that good yet.
Oh.
But I mean, yeah, there's some scores, but they're not huge scores.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
So we have a chance?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. We're just...
This YouTube thing doesn't work out. So if you guys want to play MotoBall
Kind of where we're at.
in the US, MotoBall USA on Facebook.
10 minutes?
Hey, you guys got 10 more minutes? Damn, you're panting. You got 10 more minutes left in you with no goalies?
Without goalies? You guys? Fuck it, let's go.
Yeah, Stretch Grom live. Let's go, Stretch Grom. All right, now we're gonna do no goalies. This is the game that I've been wanting to get. Full contact, even though they say it's not. Oh, look at that. Look at that trying to do a sneak attack. You can't bring that shit here. Go! Do! Huh? Offsides! Oh, we're getting real now. I didn't know that was out of bounds. I thought we could play the fence. Damn, they're getting real now. Take the goalies out and become serious. Oh, shit. There's that mud pit. Oh no, I'm in the mud. Come here, baby. Let's block it. Woo! That's dangerous to go over there. Are you serious? Look, what the fuck? Lewis just hit me in the head. Lewis, you took my fucking head off. He's beaming in the fucking head. Fucking teeth are rattling. 3-0. My teeth hurt. I'm surprised my GoPro's still recording. I don't want to get kicked in the head again. Look at that setup. Yes!
How's your head?
Yeah, my teeth hurt.
Great pass.
Yeah, to my head. Alright, that is a MotoBall USA Grom style. No goalies. Full contact to the head.